What's going on, you guys? Matthew here, back with another video, and today we are now here at SM Sukat. So the last time we've actually been here was actually quite a few months ago, and it is usually really hard to find a parking spot here at SM Sukat, but thankfully we were actually able to find a parking spot quite quick, and there's actually like a live concert going on in front of SM Sukat right now. Okay guys, so we've been finding a restaurant for the past half an hour and we decided to eat at Gringo. Okay guys, so we just got a seat here at Gringo's and I decided to get their Gringo Southern Spice Chicken. I decided to get their quarter with sides, which costs 235 pesos. And with the one with sides, you can actually get two sides. And for my sides, I decided to get white rice and buttered corn. So I decided to get their Gringo Southern Spice Chicken. They have three sizes, the quarter, the half, and the whole. I decided to get their quarter. You can either get for the no sides or the with sides. I decided to get the quarter with sides, which cost 235 pesos. And for my sides, I decided to get the white rice and buttered corn. So Gringo is actually a Mexican restaurant and they just brought in the sauce right over here. So this sauce here in this blue cup is their hot sauce. See, that's the hot sauce. And the sauce here in the white cup is their lemon sauce. So right over here is the hot sauce and right over here is the lemon sauce. Okay guys, so our food just arrived. Right over here is what I ordered. This is the Southern Spice Chicken. This is grilled chicken with sauce on it. And for my sides, like what I said, I decided to get white rice and buttered corn. The Southern Spice Chicken also comes with some nachos. And if you don't want any sides, you can also opt for no sides. And the quarter chicken with no sides is only 158 pesos. And the one with two sides is 235 pesos. Right over here is the sauce, the hot sauce and the lemon sauce. And right over here is my dad's food. My dad decided to get their buttered catfish. This is deep fried battered catfish. And my dad also decided to get some white rice. And for our drinks, we also decided to get some Coke. Okay guys, so let's now try their Southern Spice Chicken. So here's the Southern Spice Chicken. Also got some white rice and buttered corn for the sides. So here is the Southern Spice Chicken. It's the quarter. You can also get it, can either get it in quarter, the half, or the whole. I got the quarter. Here is the Southern Spice Chicken. This grilled chicken with sauce on it. Type of sauce. You can really taste the herbs. The sauce, it's like a really herby type of sauce. But it's really good. The chicken is cooked perfectly. The sauce is really good. The chicken really well seasoned. This is the white rice. And here's the buttered corn. And you can actually choose from different sides. They have a lot of options for the sides. I decided to get the white rice and buttered corn. Right over is the nachos. It also comes with like a creamy salsa on top. And like what I said, this is actually a Mexican restaurant. My dad got their like this is like their catfish. This is like battered deep fried catfish. Here's the catfish. It's actually really tasty. Wow, it's really delicious. It's cooked perfectly. That tastes really good. Okay guys, so we are finally done eating and I am now so full. We are now on our way home. But anyway guys, shout out to Christian. He was our server for today. Thank you for the amazing service and I hope to see you next time. And I will really recommend the food there at Gringo's. The food tasted really amazing. The catfish was crispy and very well seasoned. While the southern spice chicken, you can really taste that herb taste of it. It tasted like thyme and rosemary. You can really taste that herb taste of the chicken. The chicken itself was very well seasoned and it was grilled to perfection. But anyway guys, we are now on our way home. That's gonna be it for this video guys. Don't forget guys to drop a big thumbs up for this video and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching and I will see you in the next video.